How have you been doing today?
I'm well. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking me. And what about you? How's your day?
I'm doing exceptionally well. Thanks for asking too. And yeah, let me know about yourself meeting first time. So quickly we can introduce to each other for the audience.
Sure, man. My name is KR Bhardwaj. I'm from Himachal Pradesh. By professional, I'm an English tutor. I teach English for both competitive examination point of view and spoken English. And whenever I get time, I do farming because I'm the son of a farmer. You can say I'm also a farmer. That's all. When it comes to my hobby, I love reading books, listening to English music, and watching English movies as well.
Okay. So what did you do, sir? Uh, you are a teacher by profession?
I'm an English tutor, not a teacher.
Okay, English
uh,
tutor or as
Tutor,
well as
yes,
a farmer also. Okay,
yes,
you
exactly.
belong to a farming family, right?
Yes, right.
Okay, okay. I to introduce my so you know that my name is Monica. I hail from Gwalior, MP, and I'm a teacher by profession, and I teach English. And simultaneously, I am working on my communication skills, and I started my channel also. It's a lot to improving me, and I am a tutor also, and I teach spoken classes. I take usually spoken classes in my at my home itself, and I am a mother of two kids. And thanks for asking that
Okay,
about me.
yes, that's it's okay, ma'am, and it's one of the best introductions. I'm so sorry. Yeah, sometimes we make mistakes in a flow. So please let me know
Yeah.
which type of teacher you are. Do you teach school, competitive examination point of view, or only spoken classes do you take?
Actually, I just started 1 month ago. I started, and yeah, there is a competitive classes also like a PGT, TGT post. I teach most of the students online. PGT, TGT for the competition for the government exam sector, uh, English literature and language. This is
Okay,
my specialty. I teach, and I taught last 10 years in my English teaching field, and I good experience also in my field.
okay,
Yes.
that's great, ma'am. So I have one more questions, if you don't mind. So are you a government teacher and a private teacher?
I am a private teacher and I teach in a private last 10 years.
Oh my God! So you have 10 years experience.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so
Childhood days, I was fond of teaching children, children. So I grew up, and after finishing my studies, so I should go through in my teaching field. And, in 2000, I started in a school for teaching. Started teaching. And after getting married, there are 4 years gap or 5 years gap is there. But again, I started my journey in 2025.
that's great. You do what you love. It's great. What we love, if we do that
Yeah,
thing,
yeah.
it's best for us.
Yeah,
And
I love if actually repeat.
uh, you are teaching now, so because you like
Yes.
teaching. Yeah, before 5 years gap, you have started teaching. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So it's
I
better
love
for us.
to start. I started my teaching again in 25 offline. But,
Offline.
on the other hand, in five gapping since like 2018, and now it's been a years completed in 2025, and I taught online classes like YouTube, my YouTube online classes like English language and literature both, which aspirants are preparing for the government PGT or TGT post. I start those students online only. But if
Online.
I talk about like my after offline mode, I started just 25. My teaching career never departed never departed me. I always always connected with my teaching. I never give up that I couldn't do this because of lackness of time. Yeah, but time I felt that I didn't I have time for uh, tuition and for other also because being a house being a mother, you are very occupied, and sometimes you are much swamped every 25 24 hours with the kids, with the housework also. So
Hmm.
but I never ignore my teacher career. I always take out some time for my student, always. This
Okay, that's great.
vacation, you can say.
Continuously teaching, offline and offline, you didn't give up.
Yeah, whenever
Okay,
I got opportunities, I never lose them and I grab them. Always I try opportunities whenever I got like online or there is it is.
okay.
Yes.
So, ma'am,
What
as
do
you
you
know,
do in your leisure time?
whenever I get time, I read books. As I mentioned you before, I love reading books and watch movies, English movies, listening to songs. Most of my leisure time, I spend that time reading books. I love reading books mostly,
Which kind of books which kind of book do you like to read most?
self-help books like Rich Dad Poor Dad. I have read many books, but now, yeah, like Think and Grow Rich, The Magic of Thinking Big, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Energize Your Mind. There are many books
See.
I have
So
read.
can we talk like a podcast, English podcast, little bit?
Yes, of
Actually,
course.
I started my English podcast 1 week ago. I started, and this is my son with you, sir. So could you help me for podcasting?
Yes, ma'am, sure. Please.
Yeah. So in podcast, we share to each other's thought like a small phrases or like a small short stories. So my side, this is the use of can and may might from my side. This is the podcast with grammar rules because nowadays people are struggling for their in this language because they are not aware grammar rules, right? And they grammar is not too tough to learn, but people makes a phobia type like because now so many rules are there. We have to memorize. We have to
Yeah,
memorize like in
we
grammar,
have to cram,
like
we have to get.
sentences making a structure. Yes, yes. So we can discuss about can could and may might. So are you comfortable with that?
Yes, ma'am, sure. Yes, I'm comfortable.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, so please let's talk about first we start and could, right? So we start from the small story. From my side, I using of can and could, and after that you just share your thought and could. Okay. Okay, so
yes, please.
firstly, I would say that the use of can in present tense. Mostly, we can use present is the form of and past tense the form of could we can say. So do you thought what is the criteria of learning can and could? What is 2 or 3 rules? You just tell me. You
Can, first can is used for employed information, request, like if I need any order, if I want permission, any permission, so we use can informally, like can I go there, can I take your mobile, can I get this, can I get that, first. And second is can is used for possibility. It shows a strong
Yes.
possibility. It can be raining today. It can, it can rain today, and so it could be anything. And when we talk about could is used, first in past tense. If first clause is in the past tense, then we use could instead of can. And second use, could is used for polite request. Could you please go there? Could you please sit here? Could you please get me a glass of water? Etc. There are many uses of could. Could can be used also to show possibility. It's less possibility, like it can rain today. So that it could,
Okay.
uh,
We
yeah,
connect a story from these. Or these are the modal verbs. These are the modal verbs. Also, it is also a modal verb, and it is very necessary to make a small story by which our audience can aware of these two rules. It cannot be boring as well. So I want to try to frame these two verbs in a story, right?
please
Okay. So
try
one
this.
once time there is a yeah.
Please do
In
this.
a
And
time
actually,
there was a yeah. Please pardon.
I'm so sorry. Yeah, please do this. And after that, yeah, because I haven't got your point properly. That's why please first try to narrate a story using could and can and could. Then after that, please
Okay, yeah,
go
yeah.
ahead.
Yeah, I want to relate a story
Please.
while we are using like a can and code verb. For example, I can speak English and can speak English very well. But sometime later, she before her schooling, she able to learn English properly because she had no proper resources, proper communication skills as well. So couldn't learn English properly, but after some time, she got some opportunities by her tutor, and she can learn. She can speak very well. She can make her sentences, her grammatical structure properly. And yesterday, I friend she could express her thought. She was able to express her thought very nicely in front of me. I would say that she can speak English very fluent, a native speaker. So yeah. So yeah, please tell what about your scenario about the about about this story, and please tell me a little story, a short story as well, also by framing these immortal verbs.
Okay, please give me a few seconds. Yes. Yesterday, I went to market and I purchased many things, but I couldn't lift them because everything, many things, I had many bags, so I couldn't lift them together. So then I took a rickshaw, a taxi, and I came home. And after that, now I can see I have I have done many, much shopping, and now so I can wear uh, different of shirts. I can put my shoes, by changing every day.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay,
I'm so
your
sorry.
story for the depends on the outfit. Yesterday you went to the market, you purchased so many things, and you can now every days and you can enjoy your outfit.
Yes,
different
exactly.
outfit, right?
Yeah, yes,
Okay, so we can
definitely.
change the topic now. Possibility. You know what is the use of can and could in another area like a possible certain. It is less certain. For example, it tomorrow, but not sure, right? So
Right.
like my may and might is also have position like cannot, can or could. It tomorrow. So it is not sure rain must be it only it occurs a possibility, right?
Possible. Right,
For
right.
example, this plan could be risky. This plan could be risky. ये plan risky हो सकता है, but
Yes,
it may be possible or not. Risky or not भी हो सकता है. So this may be risky for the audience or for the planner. It depends on the situation of the people. So guys, we can also connect these two verbs also, may and might.
exactly.
Likewise, can and could is there. Like possibility, we can use like polite request. We can use could. Could I borrow your pen? Could I help you? Could you please could give me a short space for? So these are the model verbs which are going to use in or possibility, right? In the
Right.
past ability also it can we can say. Okay,
Okay.
so now we
Now,
can start may and might.
okay, okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
tell me
So,
something about
hmm,
these verbs.
okay. So, as you know, may, might, could can be used for possibility. So when we talk about can shows a strong possibility, and could shows us, sorry, may shows us a little bit, no, a little lesser possibility, not stronger. So and may is more lesser, and could is used very less possibility. Like it can rain today. इट कैन रेन टुडे, आज बारिश हो सकती है. इट माइट रेन टुडे, आज बारिश हो सकती है पर थोड़ी संभावना, द पॉसिबिलिटी इज वेरी लेस, नॉट लिटिल बिट लेसर. एंड
Yes,
व्हेन वी
yes,
टॉक
yes.
अबाउट मे इज यूज मोर लेसर. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट could, it could rain today, it shows us very less possibility, means chances are only 80%. So sorry, 20%, not 80%. If we talk about with can
Yes,
shows us
yes.
19%, 90%, 90% uh, chances, and may suppose 70%, 70%, 70. And when we talk about might shows us maybe 50, not number exact, but you can consider about it.
Okay, tell me for 4 5 sentences in a short story. You can express a short story on may and might as well, so that our audience can understand nicely.
So for that, in a one sentence, I have to create a story.
Yeah, you should create a story on your own words. Any story, any past tense story in your mind.
Hmm. Okay. Ray and
Yes.
Shweta went to the market yesterday, but they forgot to bring umbrellas, we can say. So they went there. It uh, that time was 12 o'clock, and it was raining over there. So they couldn't. Okay, they couldn't help themselves to get drenched in the rain, because mm,
Very nice. Very
yeah,
nice.
they forgot taking umbrellas with them, as we mentioned before. And they
Yeah.
thought, if we had we have brought umbrella with us, we could not have get drenched. And it may be it might be their faults, because they didn't think it would be raining today. And
Yeah.
now, how can
Forget
I create
to
sentences
bring
with may and might?
umbrellas.
Hmm.
Yeah. Oh,
Hmm.
you create a wonderful heads
Yes,
of.
but
Thank you so much for. Yeah,
thank
yeah. And now my turn. This is the story of Rainy Surprise, a short story presenting by me, a rainy surprise. Now, once upon a time, two friends, Ria and Shweta, who are stuck in a market, in the market, is out of the blue when they saw that there was raining started heavily, and we can see cats and dogs also, because there is a phrase of cats and dogs means मूसलाधार वर्षा
Most of the
start
time,
हो
yes, yes,
me
downpouring.
rain today. They both are both are very puzzled and perplexed for the by the sudden podcast or like weather condition. They were talking to each other how could they reach their home at time. Yes, they are. Um, they have a mobile. They have, and they called her brother to back in the market and to bring them house. So yes, it might be stuck the rain. It might be stop the rain. So they go back their home with their brothers. Now Ria said, "We may stay at and watch a movie because again they are starting to the market for bringing or purchasing uh, something new or for the shopping." And her friend Shweta told Ria that we at home and watch a TV because suddenly in maybe started. Okay, so they do outside. The weather gets better. When better, they can go outside and enjoy the shopping as well. So after some time, it started raining heavily. Said Ria laughed. See, I told it may rain. Yeah, Shweta replied, yes, you was right, and it might rain too. And both of them enjoyed the rain, hot tea, and hot snacks also. So
That's great, man.
this is my story by
That's great,
using
man.
these model verbs.
Yes, yes, you did well. Actually, I'm so
Yeah.
sorry. This is the first time. I love it. Okay, we are also learners, So I love it. Getting out of our comfort zone. It's best. It's best. It's
Yes.
the best. Okay, so I love
But
doing
you
this
tried
thing.
your best. And tried your best. You are able to express your thought without sudden out of the blue. This is the podcast from my side. You got ready. This is the biggest thing for me, guys. Okay, so
Thank you for your compliment.
being a part for this English podcast with me. And we also connect. We also like share one or two questions. There are time is left here, actually,
Yes,
so
I
we
would love
can.
to ask you a question, please. Again,
Yes,
you are a teacher and you know very well about it. When we create a story, past story, we have to use only past tense and past verbs. We to have instead of have instead of had. We have to use. We can't use can while narrating the story. And second, and third thing, I have one more questions. It's raining like cats and dog. Is it a correct sentence or incorrect for our viewers? Please explain it.
yeah, it is correct. It is correct. It is raining heavily. It means बारिश बहुत तेज हो रही है. Instead, we can use it is raining cats and dogs. It is truly correct. Cats and dogs is and many people are not aware, I think, this is the phrase for using our conversation. So we can
Yes, but
use cats and dogs yeah,
I'm
heavily.
so sorry, ma'am.
It is correct.
I'm so sorry, ma'am. Please, please, sorry for interruption. You haven't got my point. Okay, listen to my sentence. Listen my sentence carefully. Uh, it's raining like cats and dogs. Is it a correct sentence?
Like it's
And
raining like it is not correct. It is not
yes,
correct.
yes, yes. That's why I asked this
Yeah.
question. It's okay. It's raining like cats and dogs. Like preposition after preposition, we use noun and pronoun, as you know. So here it's no. We don't use. If you say this, it's raining like cats and dogs. It means बारिश हो रही है लाइक कुत्ते बिल्लियों की तरह, कुत्ते बिल्लियों की तरह. ओके. जब हम लाइक का यूज करके when we use like is a preposition. After preposition we don't use a phrase that is called a phrase. It's phrase says like a downpouring. If you say
Yeah. So
like
please
cats and
correct
dogs,
it. Please correct it. Yeah,
yes,
please correct it.
correct way is it's raining
How can we
cats and dogs.
how can we read or how can we write this sentence with the phrase cats and dogs by using cats and dogs phrase? You just name one sentence for my
Okay, it's raining
yeah
cats and dogs. We have to remove like. We don't use like. If you use
yeah
like,
yeah. Not
hmm.
use like yeah.
Otherwise, this sentence is 100% correct. It's raining cats and dog. If you write it's raining like cats and dog, it means बारिश हो रही है
No no
कुत्ते
no.
बिल्लियों की तरह.
This is incorrect. But
Yes.
I used like or not. I didn't know. I used in my conversation. Usually we use this is the like keyword or by connecting our conversation so we use like or otherwise like other sentence
No,
other
no, ma'am.
small word
No,
or
you
filling
didn't
our
use.
conversation.
You didn't use like. You spoke well.
Uh,
You spoke a correct sentence. I just trying to explain about this for our audience because some students, students will watch this video. So then this is for them.
yes. Yeah, so I would say it is raining cats and dogs. It is
Hmm.
correct sentence and not use like word because like is not comes here. This is the incorrect. If we use another filler, we can sentence will be sentence may be incorrect. Sentence correct sentence it is structure. It is raining cats and dogs. It is yeah
If we use it is raining
yes.
like cats and dog, like is over here of preposition. Okay, after preposition, noun and pronouns are written. So this sentence gives us meaning. बारिश हो रही है like कुत्ते बिल्लियों की तरह.
Mm-hmm.
If you use
Yes.
like,
So please
otherwise
tell me tell me the Hindi of cats
cats and dog
phrase
don't worry.
like
मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है.
yeah. Over मतलब we can say like a heavy rain or overcasting over broadcast like rain. So this is only the phrase which is used for the mostly heavy raining. Instead, we can use cats and dogs,
Yeah,
right?
there is a synonym for
Okay,
it.
so we can say
Downpouring.
yeah, yes, yes,
Downpouring.
yes,
Yes, you know very well.
yes.
So, ma'am,
Have
maybe
you any question for me?
we are getting run out of time. Maybe.
Yes. And yeah, only five maybe left for wrapping up the session. I
Yes,
have one
fine.
question for you, sir.
Yes,
How
please, ma'am.
long
Of
have you
course.
been started your learning journey?
Actually,
How have you been? Yeah,
learning English, learning and teaching English.
English learning journey on
Uh,
this platform, YouTube platform.
YouTube platform. Last year, I started my YouTube channel, and I'm a beginner on YouTube platform. I have very few subscribers. So when talk about my learning English learning, it has been 3 years since I have been teaching and learning English offline classes. So now even I'm also a learner. I teach and learn from students.
So you told me that you are English tutor. So uh, you are providing English classes in your coaching, or if you go anywhere for for giving tuition.
I take classes from home, online and offline classes. Some students